This is Cameron Chai from Azon.com, bringing you another episode of Azon.com TV. Today I'm speaking to Jared Lapkowski from Delong, America, and he's going to be talking to us today about their LVEM5 Benchtop TEM.
Alright, so the LVEM5 Benchtop TEM really is a unique piece of equipment. It's the only benchtop TEM available on the market. Not only is it a TEM, but it also operates as a FE SEM and as a STM as well. In terms of resolution, it's capable of 2 nanometer resolution in TEM mode, 3 nanometer resolution in SEM mode. The entire electron microscope is essentially this portion here. We have our phosphorus screen at the top of the column here, and essentially what is an optical microscope going up to our CCD detector for TEM acquisition. We have a photomultiplier for STM. We have 2 backscatter electron detectors in the column for SEM detection. And what really enables us to miniaturize the entire system is the fact that we're using a low voltage field emission electron source. The TEM operates at 5 kV, which is really unique. Since it is multimodal, it's very well placed as an educational tool. It's very easy to operate, very quick to learn, fast to go from sample to image. But since it has very high resolution capabilities, it really is a well-suited research tool. Because it's low voltage, it has increased contrast, ultra-high contrast with soft materials such as graphene, polymers, carbon nanotubes, biological samples. All these materials can be resolved without using any heavy metal stains, which is really a unique application of this type of microscope. It's designed to be put inside the lab. Throughput's really high with this type of instrument because it only takes about 3 minutes to do sample exchange, to go from sample to image, which gives you the ability to evaluate many samples rather quickly. So it's a very simple instrument to operate. All the controls are on the control pad and all the imaging is done on the screen. Not very sensitive to vibration, so we can do live TEM imaging here at the conference. Brightness is adjusted and magnification are adjusted from the control panel. Going back and forth between the modes, TEM, SEM, and STM is done via the software, which is really nice because you could get both transmission information and scanning information without doing any realignment, and on the same area of interest of the particular sample that you're looking at.
And Jared, being so small and working at low voltage, does that make it a lot cheaper than a conventional TEM?
Well, that's right. I mean, it's much cheaper to get into someone's lab. It's designed to be affordable in such a way that can be placed in a lab as opposed to necessarily being in a core facility. It doesn't have any special requirements. The price of the equipment is the price of the equipment. You don't need any cooling facilities or vibration isolation platforms or even a specialized technician to be able to operate this microscope, really bringing the costs down per image. Plus you get the ability of having essentially what are 3 microscopes in a single instrument.
So that provides the user a lot more flexibility for doing sample analysis?
Absolutely. So a single user would have a lot of flexibility in terms of getting transmission information and scanning information or surface information from the same sample. But it's also very nice to have a group of users with many different application types using this instrument because it's suitable for many different types of applications.
Alright, if anyone wants more information about the LVEM5, they can go to your website?
Absolutely. Our website is www.lv-em.com, and if anyone has any particular questions, they can feel free to send an email to info@lv-em.com.
Alright, Jared, thanks very much for demonstrating and showing us through the LVEM5.
Thank you.